Welcome back to day 9 of the unboxing.
All right, so we got Anderson Tuftex here. Again, nice box. Wouldn't expect anything else from these guys. So let's see how we open this. This took 10 days to get here. Gotta figure out how to open this. This is... I don't know how to start by opening this, so that's a concern. All right, there we go. Wow, okay. Not only is the box well branded and nice, when I ordered this, I got a follow up 2 times about finding a dealer near me, which is, a great thing. I'm sure the dealers appreciate this. This cost me $10, but honestly, I got a bag. No one else sent me a bag like this at all. I'm gonna keep this bag. I mean, that's very smart. That's something that I think a small little touch totally makes sense. They can build that into the $10. So again, ordered this from Anderson Tuftex, a Shaw company. I got some wood and we got some carpet here. Also, this is a Shaw company because it comes with a pamphlet, which, very smart. Again, this was very smart. I'm going to keep this bag. Definitely applaud them for that. So these samples are bigger, I assume, because these products are a little bit more expensive. The back has everything you need: style, color, fiber, style, color, width. These are nice, right? They feel good. You can see them really nicely. They're big samples. The box, let's see what's in this pamphlet. Designed with intention, crafted with care, carpet. This is all really nice. Honestly, not only the sample's nice, I now carry that bag with me. I'm gonna have it in my house. I'm gonna keep it for sure. They really kind of took their brand, and now their brand is in my house for many people to see. So really well done. That was awesome.
Want to see how your customers are receiving samples from manufacturers? Check back tomorrow for another fun unboxing. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you can be notified when we drop brand new content.